the wake-up call that set me free. I got the bill and I just stared at it. That was the moment I knew something had to change, and fast. I'm Holly, a grandmother who hit rock bottom at 70, in debt, no savings, and no retirement plan. That one bill was my wake-up call. I knew I couldn't work 40 plus hours anymore. I couldn't afford to just wait it out. So I made a decision to stop guessing and find a real solution. And guess what? I did! I discovered a digital blueprint that gave me my time back without selling to family or friends at all, ever, without posting 24/7, and without tech overwhelm. Wow! A system that is automated, live interactive training, real mentorship, and no middleman. I get paid 100% every time, plus work from home at my convenience. Today, I work 2 to 3 hours a day, and I now help others do the same. If you're getting wake-up calls, credit card debt, rising bills, no backup plan, don't ignore them. Comment extra income, and I'll show you the same roadmap I follow to go from panic to peace. Time is going to pass either way. Let it pass with you building something that gives you freedom and your life back for you and your family.